Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get online jobs at home, indeed, for students. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your indeed.com website. Once you go over here, just log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be over here in this particular platform. Now from here, what you need to do is you need to go to job title and have a title of the job. So you can choose student nurse or anything as you are a student. So if you want to have, let's say you want to get online jobs, so just go with remote and then press on search. So now, as per your requirement, there will be a lot of job description over here as an online job. That's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.